You like it?
Well, if I could get to taste it, really.
If I could break it all off in my mouth.
Chew it. Better chew it.
You got a piece hanging there. Atta boy. Atta boy.
You're like a caveman.
How about bud? How about buddy? Neanderthal. Neanderthal.
Eating chicken with Pappy King.
Yep. The boys. Having chicken. The boys having chicken, I guess.
Don't throw it. No. Pick it up. Good job. No. We don't throw it. Pick it up. You don't like it? No, none of it?
We just want to chew it up and get the nutrients out.